In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step authentication on LinkedIn. Two-step, also called two-factor authentication, is great for security because it asks for a second proof that it's you when you sign in. Still, there are times you might want to switch it off temporarily, like when you're changing phones or moving to a different security method. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to linkedin.com. If you aren't signed in, log in using your usual email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. Look toward the top right corner and click your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Settings and Privacy to open your main account settings. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the controls for your account, privacy, and security. On the left side, find the section called Sign In and Security and click it. This area contains your login preferences, saved devices, and two-factor options. Inside that section, locate two-factor authentication and open it. If you don't see it right away, scroll down or use the search box within settings to find it quickly. Menus can change slightly over time, but the names are usually similar. Here you'll see whether two-step verification is currently enabled. If it's turned on, you'll see an option labeled Turn Off Two-Step Verification. Click that to begin. LinkedIn may ask you to confirm that it's really you, which helps prevent someone else from changing your settings. Depending on how you originally set up two-step authentication, you might receive a code by text, email, or an authenticator app. Enter the code if prompted and confirm. After you complete the verification, LinkedIn will disable two-step authentication for your account. You won't be asked for the second step the next time you sign in unless you turn it back on later. Keep in mind that removing this extra check can lower your account's protection, so it's a good moment to review your other security settings. Consider using a strong, unique password, turning on alerts for unusual sign-ins, and keeping your recovery information up to date. If you prefer a different method, you can revisit this page anytime to enable an alternative option. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off two-step authentication on LinkedIn. If this video helped, feel free to share it with someone who might need it, and check out our other tutorials for more simple guides to managing your online accounts. Thanks for watching.